I love retail. 2018 has been a tough year, but also a great year from both a personal point of view and a company point of view. So I had a baby a year and a half ago now. So at the start of 2018, I came back from maternity leave, back into design, trying to juggle parenthood and working, which was tough, but it's a worthwhile challenge. From a company point of view, we've taken on some really new talent who are doing a great job. They're bringing fresh ideas to projects, which is great. And also we've taken on our branding creative director, Neil Baker, so now we can provide the full branding interiors and really integrate them into our projects, which is really good. Just bringing a new dimension to the company. The Wagamama project have really developed in the last year and a half, which is fun because I used to go to Wagamamas at uni in my uni days, so now I'm part of the design development, which is great. And also creating the offices for the Namshi fashion online retail brand, which was great because we could go mad, and it was really fun. And then there's also the Skydive Dubai landing zone, which again is not something that you design every day, and you could go out of the box and do something a bit different. For me at the moment, we've just recently started working on the office refurbishment for the Dubai Ladies Club and Dubai Women's Establishment, which is it's really great. Dubai Ladies Club I went to when I was younger, having grown up here. You go into the classes, the exercise classes, and now to be part of designing, the office space for them. People are a lot more open-minded, and they want to create something different. They have to, because the competition is so big now. There's, for instance, coffee. Specialty coffee is massive at the moment. You can't just create your standard coffee shop. There has to be something a bit different in order for you to stand out from the competition. And I think across the board, hotels, retail, everything has to move forward from a more international standpoint, from the bigger cities like London or Tokyo, or even Singapore, where you're trying to push design a bit further. And I think that's maybe where Dubai has changed very much, even since just from my where I started working. I think retail is going to be the next thing, because there has been so much development in F&B, hospitality, whereas now Dubai now has just started online shopping. So I think the malls, the shops need to start really developing their designs to entice people to still go to the malls, and maybe create more interactive environments. And with there being still so many malls popping up at the minute, there's the opportunity to do that. In terms of socially, since having a baby, the one thing I've noticed is some spaces are not hugely accessible with a pram, and then you think of somebody in a wheelchair. So we really tried to push the accessibility side of design, because Dubai, there's a lot of places still where it's just not working. And also again, I keep going back to a motherhood point of view, after coming back to work, because the maternity leave here is so short, it's creating environments within corporate offices where women will feel comfortable to do their lactating. They can't just go outside. It's having a space that's dedicated for them. So it's just maybe incorporating things like that into our designs.